Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram quiz sticker in your story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here, and then I'm just going to choose a photo from my gallery. Wait, let me choose the photo. For example, I'm going to choose this photo, and then I'm going to click on done. Okay, all right, and then now it's time to use quiz sticker and the story. If we want to get the quiz sticker, we can go to the sticker menu, and the quiz sticker is here. But as you can see guys, that the quiz sticker is no longer available. I think the Instagram developer has already removed it, but don't worry, because we can still create quiz in our Instagram story using this poll sticker. Okay, we can ask a question to our followers using the sticker. For example, I'm going to ask this question: guess where it is. And then I'm just going to add random options for my quiz. I'm just going to add this option. Okay, you can add another option by clicking on this menu, but here I'm just going to add two options for my quiz, and then we can change the style here. Just click on this icon to change the color, and I'm just going to use this one, and then click on done, and you're going to adjust the position. You can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can position it anywhere you want. I'm just going to place it here and make it smaller. All right, and then once you're ready to share your Instagram story with the quiz, you can click on your story, or you can continue the editing if you want. Okay, and now the story is being uploaded to my Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Instagram quiz sticker in our story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.